What's up, guys? Before the video starts, I want to thank you for subscribing to my channel and liking it. And if you haven't did that yet, go ahead and subscribe. And if you're thinking about getting into the carpet cleaning business, I do offer a step-by-step course down below in the description, as well as the tools I love and use. So now you know. Stay tuned. What's up, guys? Already headed here. We're already here. I don't know why I said that, but I'm not even gonna erase that because I ain't perfect. But anyway, neither is this carpet, so we're gonna go ahead and clean these carpets. They definitely need some special attention. I'm not sure what a lot of this is, but we're gonna be doing the grout, tile and grout too. So it's gonna be carpets, tile and grout. Pretty bad. Some renters were in here and obviously did not take care of the carpets at all. Not sure what that is. I let them know that a lot of color probably is not going to come out because we're just it'll take us too much time, and he wasn't worried about it. But we're going to definitely treat them and make, and if they can come out, they will. But I always let them know. Then we're going to do the bathroom here. We're going to do the walls and the shower. Walls aren't that bad. Shower's pretty bad. Not sure what that is. Hopefully get the water hot enough to maybe it melt out of there. But yeah, very dirty, but it's gonna make for a good video, I think, before and afters. Aside from the color. I don't know what that is. So we're gonna knock out the carpets first, and then we're gonna do the tile and grout. It's just gonna be cleaning, not gonna be sealing. As you can tell, a lot of the grout's missing. It'll look better, but it won't look perfect. And then we got some commercial grade type of carpet in here. He's going to be ripping this out, so we're going to clean it anyway. And then this one right here. So yeah, a lot of color in here. So I'm using Primetime enzyme today, guys. I'm not using the carpet details. I keep the high pH cleaners for a reason. I don't do too many jobs like this, but we're doing this one. All right, so stay tuned. Well, this one right here just got pre-sprayed and scrubbed. And look at that, that looks a lot better already. This one too. Except for the color. And once I get to the color, I'm going to treat it with my little toolkit whatever I think it is, and not spend too much time on it. If it doesn't disappear like that, then move on, because they're not paying for any specialty stain removal. You do that one back there already? Oh, wow. Alright, so he already scrubbed this one. It looks better, but this, I mean, they all need to be replaced. Let's face it, but I'm curious to see how this turns out. It's not going to be great. It's one of those jobs.
Basically, what's there already off the roof?
Yeah. Having some pretty good luck with the color, using some POG. Not sure what that is. I'm gonna hit this with the red one. This is when the hot water really helps out. I'm not saying hot water is what you need to clean carpets or do have a successful business, like say you're doing BLM, but once you get into hot water extraction, that hot water really breaks stuff up a lot. Covers come out really good. Most of the color's coming out. Over there's some green. We spent some time on it. It's not going anywhere. Half that room is done. This room got a little bit of red over there. Lightning, actually. It's more of a bleach problem. So this kit right here is something, if you're just getting into the business, you need something like this. Okay, something you can carry around with you, especially for jobs like this. You have multiple different type of stains. So everything it pretty much covers all bases. So equipment isn't everything, guys. It's half the job. Other half is the solutions. So make sure your solution game is up. And as far as your pre-spray, as you can tell, I'm using prime time on this job. I got a rinse going through my machine that neutralizes the pH, but this is like I think like close to 11.5 pH, and it's for these type of jobs, guys. If you're doing the business model I am teaching in my course, very rarely you'll have a job like this. You have to break out the pH, high pH, but you got to have it just in case. So apparently this was an art room. That's why there's so much paints, different color paints, dyes, everything. You can eat off of it, but don't look too pretty. Work in progress. Use your creativity. Yeah.
Say it again.
Did it get lighter? Yeah. Pretty good. Alright guys, so this room he was talking about replacing, all except for these couple spots that we worked out a little bit. This carpet isn't in half bad condition, so that back room definitely needs replacing. This is going to come out looking fine. These carpets are good enough, you know. These looking fine also. We got a majority of the staining out. Grout is really old and damaged. Some missing grout here and there, and but we're just gonna make it look better. We just got done doing these carpets. either this was in the video I did a few days ago, or just a continuation on this video. I wasn't sure whether I was going to put it all in one or not. But yeah, you know, the carpets were not too good a shape, and tile likewise. So we're gonna go ahead and knock this out, and cross our fingers, hope we get some great results. We're doing this all in one day. The carpets took us an hour and a half. I'm not sure how long this is gonna take us. Aaron is already pre-sprayed, and we're doing the shower there too. And scrubbing. I'm gonna turn the machine on and start extracting.
That one.
All right, forgot to wrap this video up at the bank, and yeah, so tile came out a whole lot better than I thought it would, and customer was really happy. Kicked down with a $160 tip. Now that's always good, right? All right, so thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, and we'll see you in the next one.